A literature guide goes with a specific novel that you're reading and adds that extra analysis component. They include reading comprehension questions, writing and discussion prompts, as well as vocabulary, and are about the size of a magazine. A student may read 1 or 2 chapters in the novel, then complete 2 or 3 pages in the guide, which holds them accountable for their reading and teaches them to think critically as they read. Several publishers make lit guides, and they all have their own take on the basics. Some have a teacher guide and a separate consumable student guide. Others are a single book for the student to complete with answers in the back. Some are Christian and tie in scripture and character traits, while others are aligned to the Common Core standards for home or classroom use. There are even some guides that include grammar, spelling, and compositions. These can be used as a full language arts curriculum, while most guides only fill the literature component of your ELA. Most parents will use between 4 and 6 guides in a school year, or about 2 or 3 a semester. They can take anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks to complete on average. The guides are a good fit for a variety of learners, as you can easily accommodate the level of independence or teacher guidance your student requires. You can choose books at grade level or challenge your student as needed. Literature guides are a time saver for parents, as they bring good questions to your fingertips in an inexpensive and easy to use format. Check out our literature guide comparison chart to see differences between the guides, and watch our Lit Guides workshop for a more in-depth look at these fantastic tools. If you'd like to see more videos from Rainbow Resource Center, check us out on YouTube and rainbowresource.com. Don't forget, you can call our consultants at 1-888-841-3456 or email us at consultants@rainbowresource.com.